folks, welcome back to our channel where we talk about how personal freedoms mix with what society expects. Today's story is a roller coaster of rights and rules. Picture a regular day, someone excitedly filming in a public spot, and suddenly they clash with the police. We'll dig into the First Amendment, the rule book that says we can do stuff like filming in public. But here's the twist. It's not that simple. The clash shows us that the fine line between personal freedom and keeping things in order can get messy. So come along as we untangle this story, where every argument paints a bigger picture. It's not just about rights. It's about finding a balance between being free and keeping things safe. Stick with us as we figure out how we all want both freedom and a smoothly running society.
Can I help you?
Can I help you? Turn the camera off. Give us a little bit of space, please.
What?
Give us a little bit of space.
What's the Supreme Court say? How much space does the Supreme Court say?
They don't specify.
Yeah, they do.
Feet.
Yeah, they do. Learn it. Learn it.
Investigation.
I didn't say a word. You guys, you talk to me first. What's your name and badge number? Is that what you tell the judge? Rios? What's your badge number?
22.
You confronted me first, so don't
No,
fucking.
I asked you if I could help you.
And I told you no. So don't come over here and tell me what the fuck to do. All right?
I didn't say that. I didn't say that.
You said, "Can I help you?" And I'm telling you, mind your own business. Go back to doing what you're supposed to do.
Yeah, I'm trying to do my job.
Okay, well, I'm not interfering. I'm standing right here. Now look, you interfered with yourself. I'm standing here recording. You walked away.
I said give us some space, sir.
I didn't say a word to you.
I said give us some space.
I'm not doing it. What about all these people here?
Back. They're not over here. Okay, we're searching this car, sir.
Okay, good.
Right,
I'm
so
going to document it.
Give us some space, sir.
You have enough space.
No, step back.
Supreme Court says 10 feet.
From what?
From whatever you're doing.
Okay, right now I'm here and this is what I'm doing. I'm telling you step back. So 10 feet from me.
10 feet from you, you approach me. I was 10 feet from you. I was more than 10 feet from you. You step back. You step back. But neither am I. I'm not doing anything unlawful. And this is private property. So go fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself, man. Go back to work. You know who I am, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I know you.
All right.
Yeah, you don't scare me.
You don't fucking scare me either with that fucking gun and that taser and shit. Rios? Sergeant?
Yeah.
I'm gonna stand right here and do my job. You go do your fucking job.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Okay, well, I'm not interfering. You walked over here.
Well, you're walking the line, sir.
So are you.
The situation we're talking about happened on a public sidewalk, a place usually open for everyone, but with some rules to follow. The person in the middle of the argument strongly claims they have the right to stay there, even though the police say they're trespassing. This disagreement brings up important legal ideas like the First Amendment that protects free speech, the public's right to use public spaces, and the rules for the police in these situations. The person insisting to stay on the sidewalk shows that they think they have the right to speak freely and gather in public. The First Amendment lets people express themselves in public places like sidewalks, but this right isn't absolute and can have some restrictions set by the government, like limits on time, place, and behavior. So the big legal question here is whether the police asking the person to leave is okay based on the situation. Accusing someone of trespassing in a public space makes us think about what's public and what's private. Trespassing usually means being on someone's property without permission, but public sidewalks are places where everyone has a right to be. Unless the person was breaking specific laws like blocking the way or doing something illegal, just being on the sidewalk probably doesn't count as trespassing. The situation also makes us wonder about how much power the police have when it comes to trespassing on public property. Officers need to follow the law and keep order, but they also have to respect people's rights. It's a challenge to balance these responsibilities, especially when there's a disagreement about whether something is against the law, like in this case. There are legal examples that help us understand these kinds of disagreements. Some cases have looked at how much free speech and public access people have and when the police can limit that. Usually there needs to be a clear and current threat to public safety or order to limit access to public spaces. Without that reason, telling someone to leave a public sidewalk might be seen as going too far. And if you found this video interesting and thought-provoking, please click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with others who might find it fascinating too. Your support helps us bring you more engaging content and stories that matter. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.